So we have the 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, and this is a 6-speed manual. So this is a rare breed. You're gonna never see a 6-speed manual. This is really rare. So I'm gonna do a little test drive and show you what it's got. I mean, it's not fast. It's only V6 3.5 liter, 278 horsepower. So it's not fast at all, but it's kind of fun. It's actually, I'll show you. And I did a muffler, so it's a little louder. Not gonna hear it well, but it's a little louder. Heard that? Second gear chirp. And we're on the rear-wheel drive mode because one little truck. This is a 4-wheel drive car, and I can select the 4-wheel drive here with a button. And right now we are in a rear-wheel drive mode because I don't really use it. And it's got LSD, limited slip differential, and then can be considered as a full-time, it's not part-time, but full-time 4-wheel drive because you can select it. Okay, we are back.